Today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "The Most Reno 911 Police Chase Ever."
Stop!
On August 4th, 2025, an officer responded to an alleged assault involving a slice of pizza.
Be ashamed of yourself.
Guys saying you threw pizza at him. We are conducting our investigation. Okay?
Joe, are my parents coming to get my shit? Are you gonna call Larry to come and get me?
Ma'am, stop.
Get the away from me. Yo, get the away from me.
All right, they charged a white female, black tank top, American flag, bathing suit hanging down, and now she's on rollerblades.
You're on my list.
Who's the other unit coming?
I mean,
Where are you coming from? She's heading north on MLK. Minimum obstruction at the moment, and simple battery. Ma'am, stop! Stop!
What's with the random dog? Is that her dog? That must be her
We're
dog.
still going 15 for obstruction. Stop! Stop!
I've done nothing wrong. Leave me alone.
Get
Leave
the gun
me
now.
alone. I haven't done anything wrong. Stop. Stop.
Oh, she eating that.
I haven't done anything wrong. Leave
Stop.
me alone.
Get on your stomach
Leave me
now.
alone.
The dog.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Lay on your stomach.
Please.
Lay on your stomach.
Give me that. Please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please. Oh my God.
Put your hands behind your
Oh my
back.
God. Please. 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 Help.
Let me see your other hand. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand.
I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't broken any laws. I'm children. I'm children.
Stand up.
Oh. Are you gonna send me home?
No, you're going to jail.
Why? I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't broken any law. Stop. 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 God, get out of here. Stop. You guys are breaking the law. You guys, I haven't done anything wrong. Please. Please.
Stop.
Please. Please. All of this is recorded, right?
Yep.
Okay. He stole my EBT card. He stole everything.
He stole my EBT card.
Larry, God, tell me he's afraid. What's he involved in my
I got her.
You're doing wrong. What do you want?
I was more worried about the dog biting me.
Dog.
I didn't even see him at first. Yeah.
Ma'am, just relax, okay?
I need water and food.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be in. Come on.
Can you open up my car? Just the back seat.
Are you guys gonna get my stuff from over there? He made me leave my stuff over there, that blue bag.
Come on. Good dog.
I told you to
Yes,
stop
he
and
did.
Yeah,
I know
he's
the
a good
Florida
boy.
statute very well. I know the law very well. Ow! Dude, I can't get in this way. Stop. Police brutality! Police brutality! Take me home! Where my ID and all my stuff should be at, and I have still not committed any crime or broken any law. Judge Walter Dittmer will definitely testify to that, because he knows very well that I am not a criminal. I am not a mischievous person. I deserve to be my children. and Larry will testify to that too. I want to speak to your supervisor.
He's coming.
Bring the marshal, bring the supervisor, something, I need help.
Put your feet in.
You guys, I want the supervisor to come. I want somebody else to come. Call Randall, call Bruce,
Stop.
call Mr. Rowe. No, you guys cannot treat me like this. Oh my God.
Stop moving.
I'm done. Let go of me.
Stop.
904 Street Door, 904 Street Door, second door back. The alarm company is getting at arrest.
I want to go to the hospital.
Where's her quote unquote stuff?
In the parking lot, you see the blue cart over there? That's all hers.
I don't know. It's like a whole shopping cart, I guess?
Yeah. Yeah. I have no idea. No idea. You want to try? I don't think she's going to talk to me.
Ma'am, I have your dog in my cruiser. What is your name?
Ashley?
Ashley.
Yeah.
You live with anybody over at 10th Street?
Yeah.
Who's over there that I can take the dog to?
I don't know who's over there right now.
Well, who normally lives with you?
We're not talking anymore until my lawyer is present because I have not committed any crime. I have not broken any law.
Okay, well, it's
I
not
want
about a
my
crime.
lawyer present.
I'm gonna have to take your dog to animal services, or I can take the dog home. Okay, then I will call animal services.
Jesus, I have done nothing wrong. The dog has done nothing wrong. These officers are committing crimes and conspiring against me, and it should not be tolerated. And I will represent myself if I have to. I can survive. I will be okay. Just calm down, Ashley. Just calm down. They have no reason to hold you. They have no reason to hold you. Oh, she's studying literature. I was told that you guys were not allowed to chase people across the road at all. You guys are not allowed to chase people. You're not allowed to chase cars, people on wheels. I was in wheels. I was a moving person. You guys chased me. Why?
You can't make this shit up, man. Listen, your mind is a terrible thing to waste, man, but she need to just go ahead, boy. Yeah, she's cooked, man. She's fried. Feel bad for the dog, honestly. That's the only thing I feel bad for, man. At first, I'm like, damn, what's this random ass dog just doing? But then the dog keep following her. I'm like, oh, that's a good dog, you know, not to like stray away and stuff like that. It's pretty intelligent pit bull, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyway, this was just a nothing burger. I ain't gonna lie to you. A whole lot of nothing went on here. This is just chasing a woman in roller skates and stuff. Like, God, it's something new every day. It's something new every day. I ain't really got too much to say about this video. This is just whatever, man. I guess I get officers a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I ain't got nothing to say.